Well, every day I learn something new from the teachers that I work with. I'm surrounded by very talented professionals. The greatest thing that has happened is seeing any of the students that I work with surpass their own expectations when they surprise themselves with what they've learned and what they're able to do.
I just really love high school kids. They're fun to be with, you can have great conversations with them, the curriculum's fun. I just enjoy the passion that they come into class with as they're growing to being adults. I think it's really important that we are a society where people understand what's going on and know how to affect change for the better of our society. That's the only way our society is going to keep growing.
It's a great feeling to help students. It's so rewarding because I meet with students every day and they really are amazing. And I just want them to know that. My goal is to make students feel important and to instill in them a hope for the future.